Our News Explorer is designed to help communicators understand how their news pages are being used. One of the things that is unique about news pages within SharePoint is the fact that they are largely built out of JavaScript and may not exist in their entirety at the time until they are actually rendered into view. So they don't have the classic construct of an ASPX type of page associated to them. That's why it was so important for us to build something that you couldn't really discover with the graph. The advantage of having our News Explorer is for you to understand kind of how these pages are performing. And again, I can go and focus on a particular page and see how that news article is performing. So it's peak audience time, it's day of week, all sorts of different things. And I can jump from here to even get deeper analysis as to what's going on with my particular news pages. What's also important is the fact that these news pages could be multilingual. So we're rolling up the various the various variations of that page into one node so that you can better understand, how that page is being consumed, regardless of the language that it's been written in. So that is a very unique value proposition that we have specifically around news pages, which is something we haven't seen in other products.